oval shape. Makes oval shape. And cut in the sides as shown in the video. Cut it. Now bend it little bit as shown in the video. Make a shape in a plate. Now take a piece of paper and cut it and arrange to that plate as shown in the video. Arrange it and paste it very well. After pasting, another paper and cut it and wrap it inside the plate as shown in the video. Now take a red color paper and paste it in the middle to cover the cardboard sheet and decorate the plate with golden paper as shown in the video. Foil papers. Now take a golden paper and cut in a leaf shape as shown in the video. Here I am making a Pooja Thali Aarti plate. Cut in a shape and decorate that paper strip to the plate. Complete it. After completing it will be like this. You can use these plates for engagement trays also. And take a strip and paste it in the mid side. Complete it. It will be look like a ribbon. You can use this for the wedding plates also. Now the plate is ready. Now join 5 mm 12 strips. Here I am making kumkum box bowls. You can use any steel small bowls also. You can directly paste it. If you don't have, you can use this process. Make a green color piece of paper and make as shown in the video. Make some more and connect in a flower shape as shown in the video. It will be look like a ribbon. You can use this as a Aarti plate, Pooja plate, wedding trays, plates, and paste that ball in the middle. Make 3. You can store paspu, kumkuma and rice. It will be the Aarti plate on the occasion of Rakshabhandan. Paste it. Now the Aarti plate is ready and take a Rakhi and place it. Now the Rakshabhandan special Aarti plate is ready. You can use in multiple purpose as wedding trays also. Hope you all enjoy my videos. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting crafty videos. Thank you friends.